case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2002 case heard by the New Jersey Superior Court, Appellate Division, V.A.L Floors, Inc., and V.A.L Company, Inc. were involved in a dispute with Westminster Communities, Inc. over a flooring installation project at the villas at Harbor Island. The plaintiffs submitted a base bid of $443,000 for labor and materials, expecting a 33% profit. When they requested an advance payment, Westminster refused and ended their partnership. The plaintiffs claimed out-of-pocket expenses and lost profits, estimating a total contract amount of $675,000 and expected profit of $235,000. The court ruled that the profit estimate based on the plaintiff's past experience was a valid basis for a damage claim. To recover lost profits, the plaintiffs must provide a reasonably accurate and fair basis for calculating the profits, which the court found they had done. The absence of precision shouldn't deny essential justice, and the jury could infer appropriate compensation. The lower court's decision was deemed incorrect, and a new trial was ordered.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.